If you're planning on joining us for one of our open days, here are the top tips for visiting. Firstly, plan your travel arrangements in advance. I'd aim to travel into the city via public transport. There are lots of options and Cambridge has good rail and coach connections. But if driving is a must, then consider using park and ride services as parking spaces can be limited. Cambridge itself is very walkable and that's the quickest and easiest way to get between venues.
My advice would be to research the programme and what's on offer. There's a limit to how much you can absorb during the day, so this will help make the most of your experience. There are loads of events taking place at the various different departments and colleges around the city, and it would be impossible to visit them all. So aim for around 6 to 10 during the day. And make sure to visit the colleges outside the city centre to get a full perspective of what's on offer.
It's a really good idea to decide in advance what talks, activities and colleges you'd like to visit. My tip would be to plan your day around the talk timings and to use a map to plan your route. Most tours are available on a rolling basis throughout the day, but the programme for each course will vary. Make sure to check what talks and tours are happening so you don't miss out. It's also a good idea to have some questions in mind for the staff and students.
One thing to be aware of is that there are a mixture of online and in-person activities. There are virtual tours for those who can't attend, and they're also useful for helping people navigate and plan before attending the open day. Another useful tip is to watch our warm-up webinars, which cover content on student finance, information about applying to Cambridge, and choosing the right college for you.
Finally, check the website for all the details. The programme should be added there closer to the event. And remember, if you have any questions, please get in touch.